That's a common paradigm that you hear all the time. Well, where the hell have these animals been drinking for the last 300 million years? In creeks, rivers, gullies, ponds. Why now suddenly is it bad? Now, is it the animal that's changed, or is it because we now manage them? And it's technologies like this that can help us manage them better. And now, once you've done the trampling, always advisable to allow those environments to recover. This is Binning Up, just south of where Louise and Co are sitting, and these folks had some problems with the arum lilies coming out of the creeks, and they used a bale of hay to do the same sort of thing and get that stimulation. And there it is, a day or two later, having pushed that lily back into the creek edge where it should be. So again, using this tool of animal impact, this predator-prey relationship, to mimic nature, to restore environments to how they used to be. I just wanted to share this last one quickly. Actually, I think there's one more. These are some of the folks earlier in the piece. So we're in a 200 mil rainfall area here, so pretty arid, very seasonal rainfall, lots of bush and lots of bare ground. And again, just bunching those animals, creating that chipping effect, the dunging effect, the trampling effect. And over a sequence of years, and literally they went from just running goats and donkeys to now fattening beef animals on that same piece of ground.